Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2018 Ford F-150 XL. This vehicle features a 2.7-liter V6 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this vehicle has had two previous owners. As we get closer here to the front of this crew pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek shadow black clear coat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille, as well as down around those tow hooks and fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side of this vehicle and take a look at its tires and wheels. This vehicle features silver 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a significant amount of life left in them, but I'll get to those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter, so you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. All along the bottom of the cab of this pickup, you do have black running boards to help you get in and out with ease. And we'll take a look here now to the inside of this pickup. Here on the inside of this F-150, you do have a lovely jet black cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around, and as for your tire treads, you have 12 30 seconds in all of your tires, and as for your brake pads, you have 10 30 seconds in the front and 13 30 seconds in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. We'll now take a look here to the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle does seat a total of 5 people, and for these rear occupants, you do have 2 cup holders up top here, a power outlet, as well as 2 USB charging ports for their mobile devices. You also have pockets on the backs of both of those front seats, and down on the floor you do have all-weather floor liners to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have several storage spaces in them, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue around to take a look here at the rear of this pickup. As you'll be able to see here on the rear of this pickup, you do have a pre-installed tow bar, as well as both a 4 and 7-pin connector for a trailer hitch hookup, and you also have a spare tire behind it if you're ever in a pinch. You also have a backup camera to help you whenever you're parking or going in reverse. And I'll just open up the tailgate. And as you'll be able to see back here, this crew pickup does have a bed that's about 5.5 feet, so you've got a fair amount of space to haul some pretty nice loads. You also have a spray-in bedliner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches the loads you put in here might give it. I'll just close this back up and we'll continue around to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, and as for the driver's seat, you do have 6-way manual seating adjustments, meaning you can move the seat forwards backwards, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a tilting steering wheel with this vehicle, meaning you can move it up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your dashboard backlight controls, headlight controls, and your parking brake. I'll now just get inside this crew pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 69,032 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these, you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you up there. Beneath those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your cruise controls, and then on the right side of the steering wheel, you do have your volume controls, as well as your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. That camera is also a wide-angle lens, so you can see right up close to that bumper. Above that display, you do have your electronic stability mode toggle, as well as your auto start-stop toggle. Beneath it, you do have controls for said display, a CD player, your climate controls. To the right, you do have a power outlet, and to the left, you do have your 4-wheel drive shift. A bit farther down, you have a small space for something like your phone, 2 USB charging ports, another small space over here to the left, 2 cup holders, and then your main storage compartment behind that with a removable tray and a power outlet inside. We'll now move on here to the last section of this video. Here, in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this F-150, the only thing I can notice is that the power outlet is missing its cover back here. But other than that, there is nothing else standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll take a look here now to the outside of this vehicle. Again, we'll be looking up and down for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. And here along the front of this vehicle, you do have several small nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. This pickup is also a darker color, so it does tend to hide a little more than a lighter color might. A small scratch there. And we'll continue around here to the passenger side. A few nicks here on this rear passenger side door. Some scuffing here on the rear of that passenger side. And we'll come along here now to the rear of this pickup. Now often where I do tend to see several imperfections is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you do have some faint wear and several nicks peppering the top of that tailgate. And you do have some discoloration there in the bed and a few nicks in it as well. I will just close that tailgate back up. Two significant scratches there. And we'll continue back around here to the driver's side. A small scuff. A nick there. A small one there. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a black crew pickup with the ability to seat 5, a fair amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bedliner, backup camera, a pre-installed tow bar, a spare tire, black running boards, smartphone integration, cloth upholstery, lumbar support, 2 keys, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this black crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day!